Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw funds from Cash App to a bank account step by step clearly.
Open the Cash App on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account.
Locate the balance displayed at the top of the home screen.
Tap on the balance to proceed. Select the Cash Out option from the list. Enter the amount you wish to withdraw. Press Cash Out after entering the desired amount. Choose your deposit speed, standard or instant.
If you select standard, the funds will typically arrive in 1 to 3 business days. If you choose instant, a small fee will be applied, and the funds will arrive immediately.
Select the bank account you want to withdraw your funds to. If you haven't linked a bank account, tap Add a Bank to enter your bank details.
Review the withdrawal details one last time.
Tap on Confirm to finalize the transaction.
You will receive a confirmation message indicating the transaction is complete. Check your bank account later to ensure the funds have arrived.
If you encounter any issues, refer to the support section in the app for assistance.
If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.